Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Once again, I'll be making crunches, but this time I'll be making them using elastic, guys. So if you don't have hair ties at home, you can equally make your crunches using elastic. So thank you so much. Let's get into the video. So it's very easy, this particular one, the same measurement as the one with the hair tie. So if you've not seen that video how I made crunches with hair tie, please click on the link above or it will be in the description box. So this the same measurement and it's really easy and fast to do. So all you have to do is to pin your fabric together so that you don't lose it along the way. So that's all I'm trying to pin it together so that I can sew a straight line. That's all you have to do, guys. A straight line is very easy. So when you get that done, you start sewing. After sewing a straight line, the next thing you have to do is to turn the fabric inside out. So you want the bright side, the shiny part of the satin to be outside. So I'm struggling. I could not find my pin, but I'm going to use what I have, which is a pen. So I'm just going to turn it inside out and that is it. It's really easy to sew. So I don't know which one I prefer. If I prefer crunches with hair tie or crunches with elastic. So guys, leave a comment down below. What crunches do you prefer, the one with hair tie or the one with elastic? But personally, I love the both of them. It's almost the same result. I don't think it's that bad. So let's turn it out. After you've turned it inside out, the inside is out now. All you have to do is to measure out your elastic. So I got this tiny elastic and I have about 4.5 centimeter inches, I mean to say. So you see it can double in size and you want something that can double in size. Don't make it too tight or too big that you can't really use it. So the next thing I'm going to do is I found my pin. Yes guys, I found my pin. So the next thing I'm going to do is to insert it inside the casing. So when you're inserting it in, remember to pin the ends because you don't want to lose your elastic while you're struggling to bring it out the other end. So take a pin and pin it together so that you don't lose it. So after doing that, you safe for you to continue fixing your elastic to bring it out the other end. Considered in bringing out the other end, it is that also you also have to pin it again so you don't lose it. It's very tiny and it can be so annoying when you lose the elastic. So pin it down and you're ready to sew the elastic to the fabric. Super easy. Now all you have to do is to sew the elastic to the fabric, sew both ends together And that's your crunches is done. Is the easiest project ever. I love easy projects a lot, so I'm happy about doing this crunches. So you can do a couple of crunches within an hour because it's so easy to make. So after securing the elastic to each side of the fabric, now I'm going to sew both ends together to form our crunches. Like I said, it's easy. So let's do it. I'm sewing it. I'm just going back and front with my stitches to secure it. And when I go on top of the elastic, I also went back and front to make sure that it is really strong and it doesn't loose at all. So that is it, guys. The crochet is ready. Really cute and beautiful. I'm just cutting like loose ends because the satin fray easily. So if you have a single, you can equally close up those ends, but if you don't have one, I'm going to show you what I use to make sure that it doesn't fray more. Okay, so look at the crochets. It's beautiful. I love the colors and it's so nice to make. So now what I'm going to do to make sure that end looks decent is I'm going to sew it with zigzag stitch. Yes guys, it helps to close down that particular end. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Have to do is to cut off any excess fabric that is left behind, and you can see with the zigzag end it's really looking professional or decent, if I may say. And that is it, guys. That's the end of our crunches. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment down below, like and share. So I went ahead to make more crunches because there's nothing better than more crunches. So you can see how I close it up, and I made blue and different color, and with rainy crunches at the moment in my house. So thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.